Good morning, children. Hope you all enjoyed the summer vacation. You have played a lot. I know that you are a little bit upset because you can't go for the vacation or anything. But for this year, manage it. Next year, we will go. All we will enjoy again. After this, we have to be very careful, isn't it? So, let's come to the point. We are starting our new chapter, that is chapter 3. Introduction to MS Word 2013. What is a word processor? MS Word 2013, that is a word processor. A word processor is a computer software that helps us to type text on a computer. That means whatever we are writing, if we want to write anything on the computer, then we have to put a software in the computer so that we can write, and that is a word processor. And MS Word 2013 is a word processor. It helps us to write the documents, type the documents, and save the documents. Once we will save them, it cannot go back and make changes to them whenever you like. If we will write once, and if we will save it, then it will not go anywhere. Okay, but we can change the things. If there is any error, that means any wrong over there, we can format them, like check and correct spelling, grammatical error, insert a drawing or a picture. Insert means putting a drawing or picture, give page borders, and also print them through this word processor. So nowadays Word 2000 MS Word 2013 is very popular word processor. Okay, next we are going to starting Word 2013. How we will start? We will click on the start button. We will click on the start button, then all programs, then Microsoft Office 2013 and Word 2013. It will come. See the process. It is described over here. Okay. Now we will get a blank page, and there we will type. Next, here are the parts of the 2000 window of the Word 2013 window. See, the various parts of the Word 2013 window are shown. See, at the top is the title bar. I have given a demo in the video, another video. You will see I have tried to give you some idea about all these things. Next comes the File tab. The File tab is located at the top left corner of the Word 2013. Here, this one is the File tab. Okay, this one is the File tab. Next comes the Quick Access bar. Quick Access toolbar. This one is the Quick Access toolbar. You can see here three things are here, that is the save, undo, and repeat. Next comes the title bar. Title bar means it gives us the idea what we are doing, which the title of the work. Like chapter, in this chapter we have introduction to MS Word 2013. This is the title of the chapter. Like that, the title will come over there. Next comes at the right corner. See, there is minimize, maximize, and close button is there. Okay, minimize button used to reduce a window to a small icon, and restore down, it brings back the full size, that is maximize. And close means it will help us to close the work what we are doing. Next is ribbon. See, this portion is called ribbon. From File tab to the last, it is called ribbon. Clear? In ribbon we will get words, see, word, tab and groups. Next comes the document window. Document window is a blank page where we write. Blank page where we write. Next is help button. See, here is the help button. See, here is a question mark, that is the help button. Okay, see. Next comes the status bar. Status bar is displayed at the bottom, that means at the last. See, this is called the status bar. It shows us the page number, the view, words, view button and zoom slider. All these things are over here. See here, view button, zoom slider. Got it? Next comes the dialog box launcher. Dialog box launcher is a small icon. See this one. Dialog box launcher is a small icon that if we click this icon, a dialog box opens that provides more options related to the group. A dialog box is a new window that pops up. Pops up means comes suddenly. It has options that you can select as per your choice. There will be some options and you have to choose by yourself. Next comes the horizontal ruler. See, this one is the horizontal ruler. When we will write on the document window, then we will see a ruler on the document, over the document window. That is called the horizontal ruler. Then in the side, in the left side, you will see the vertical ruler. Horizontal ruler helps to left and right margin, and vertical ruler helps to use the set top and bottom margins. Okay, then comes the vertical scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar, here it is found. It will help us to go up and down, top and bottom. And up and down, and the horizontal scroll bar will help us to go left and right. So up to this we have done. So here is a ribbon, document window, help button, status bar. I have tried to give you the demo, the instructions over here. So this is the chapter. Okay, you will read, and I have given some question answers. The question answers will come as a fill in the blanks, true, false. All these things I have written over there. You see in the PDF. Okay. So till the next class, goodbye. Have a nice time.